Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 98. We're standing beside the South Fork of the American River, tucked in among pine and cedar forests of the Sierra Nevada foothills. The sound of rushing water you hear is snowmelt from a high country rushing down towards the Sacramento Valley, a reminder that every drop here has traveled from peaks that once guided pioneers west. This valley has seen people moving through it for thousands of years. Long before there was a Highway 50, this land belonged to the Nisenan and Washoe peoples, who lived and traded along these same waterways. The river was their lifeline, for food, travel, and spiritual connection to the mountains. In the 1840s, the trail you're looking at became part of the California Trail, one of the main routes settlers followed towards the gold fields. Just a short drive west of here near Colombo, James Marshall discovered gold in 1848, the moment that sparked the California gold rush. Within months, tens of thousands of miners flooded through these hills, panning creeks just like this one. They call this the El Dorado Corridor, and every bend in the river has stories of fortune, hardship, and survival. The road beside me, now called the El Dorado Freeway US 50, roughly follows those early wagon routes carved by prospectors and stagecoaches. In the 20th century, it became known as the Lincoln Highway, one of America's first transcontinental roads, linking San Francisco all the way to New York. Even today, it remains a major east-west artery cutting through the Sierra, connecting the Central Valley to Lake Tahoe and beyond. What makes this stretch beautiful is its sense of transition. You can feel California shifting here, from the lush coastal forests and vineyards behind us to the granite peaks ahead. The air gets thinner, the lights sharper, and the sound of the river grows wilder. It's a preview of what's to come as we climb towards Echo Summit and cross into the high alpine country. Standing by the water, it's easy to imagine the past layered over the present. Native American trails, gold rush miners, stagecoaches, early motorists, all following the same narrow valley. And in this way, this quiet bluff beside a creek tells a whole story of California's journey from frontier to modern state.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.